skies are blue.
G'day Phil, how you doing? Good.
You worried there, Adam?
I'm shitting myself.
I do it every day. You get used to it.
Alright.
Thumbs up. We're going to do it, eh?
Sounds great. Look forward to it.
And the reason that you had to care, the traffic is stuck, and you're not moving anywhere. You thought you found a friend to take you out of this place, someone you can lend a hand in return for grace. It's a beautiful day.
Statement of the stage. Yeah, we've got a lot about 20 minutes. We'll be ready to go, okay? Sounds great.
Take me to that other place, sweet, sweet love. I know I'm not a hopeless case. China right in front of you. See the canyons broken by cloud. See the tuna fleets clearing the sea out. See the bedroom fires at night. See the oil fields at first light. And see the bird with a leaf in her mouth. After the flood, all the colors came out. It's a beautiful day. Don't let it get away.
Okay, my friend, we just over 5,000 feet here. This is above the height of the parachute locked up. Okay. We're going to be pretty much last out of here at 14,000 feet. We've got about a minute free fall back down to here. And once the parachute's open, about 5 or 6 minutes, strip around under the parachute.
coming down on not today. Did you meet your fortune teller? Get it off with no propeller. Do it up, it's on with Stella. What a way to finally smell her. Pick it up, it's not too strong for you. Take a piece and pass it on. Fly away on my Zephyr. I feel it more than ever. And in this perfect weather, we'll find a place together. Fly on my wind. Rebel and a liberator, find a way to be a skater. Rev it up to levitate up, super friendly aviator. Take a look, it's on display for you. Coming down on not today. Fly away on my Zephyr. I feel it more than ever. And in this perfect weather, we'll find a place together. In the water where we center my emotion, all the world can pass me by. Fly away on my Zephyr. We'll find a place together.
Oh, good. Thank you, sir. Cookie should be behind me somewhere. There you go, mate. You hop up. Oh, good. Well done. How was that, mate?
That was great,
Good
mate.
fun.
Woohoo.
Take it back tomorrow.
Here you go, I'm about to go to work. More
That's right.
exciting than work.
Yeah, just relax, mate. I'll get you loosened up here. Then
Yeah.
you go get yourself a beer in here, okay?
That was great. Cheers, thanks guys.
Never.